Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the surface is structurally sound and clean. Once done, wash and use a wax/grease remover so paint will adhere. Sand the area to 300-400 grit to create a keyed surface. Make sure you feather edges into old paint to avoid ridges. Mask everything you don't want painted with 3M tape and plastic sheeting. Take your time here because proper prep prevents runs and adhesion failures later. This step sets up the entire job. You now prepare primers and base coat for a uniform finish. First, apply 1 to 2 thin coats of epoxy or etch primer, letting each flash for 10-15 minutes. This ensures corrosion protection and adhesion. Once primed, mix the base coat exactly per instructions. Solvent balance matters, then set your gun with a 1-2-1 4 mm nozzle at 25-30 psi. Spray with 50% overlap, keeping a steady 6-8 inch distance so layers build evenly without runs. You finish by applying clear coat to protect and gloss the base layer. Spray 2 to 3 wet coats, allowing a 5-10 minute flash between coats so solvents evaporate evenly. This prevents solvent popping. Let the clear cure as specified, then inspect for runs or dust. If necessary, wet sand with 1,500-2,000 grit to remove imperfections, then polish progressively with a compound and a finishing polish. Troubleshooting tip: if you notice hazing or orange peel after cure, wet sand and then buff. Don't add extra clear until surface is smooth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.